Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of Forex trading robots. In this video, I'm going to talk about which Forex trading platform is best for beginners. If you're new to Forex trading and looking for the perfect platform to start with, you've come to the right place. Remember to watch the entire video for an in-depth answer to this question. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy, so watch them after watching this video. For everything else, see the description box below. Before we jump into the best Forex trading platforms for beginners, let's clarify what a Forex trading platform actually is. A Forex trading platform is a software program that grants you access to the Forex market, enabling you to execute trades and manage your investments. There are two main types of Forex trading platforms: web-based and desktop platforms. Web-based platforms are accessed through a web browser and offer convenience and accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. On the other hand, desktop platforms are installed on your computer, providing more advanced features and customization options. Now let's address the question on every beginner's mind. Which Forex trading platform is best for beginners? While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, there are several factors you should consider before making your choice. First and foremost, ease of use is crucial. As a beginner, you want a platform that is user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to navigate the platform with ease. Next, consider the features offered by the platform. Look for essential tools like charting tools, technical analysis capabilities, and efficient order execution to support your trading decisions. Education is another vital aspect to consider. A good Forex trading platform should provide educational resources such as tutorials, articles, and videos to help you understand the intricacies of Forex trading and improve your skills. Regulation is also an important factor to keep in mind. Make sure the platform you choose is regulated by a reputable financial authority to ensure the safety of your funds and protect yourself from fraudulent activities. Now let's get to the exciting part. Here are some of the best Forex trading platforms for beginners. MetaTrader 4, or MT4, is one of the most popular platforms in the industry. It offers a user-friendly interface, a wide range of features, and a vast community for support and guidance. If you're looking for a more advanced version, consider MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5. MT5 offers additional features and customization options to cater to your evolving trading needs. IG Trading is another platform worth exploring. With its comprehensive suite of features, including charting tools, technical analysis resources, and efficient order execution, IG Trading provides a solid foundation for beginners. For those interested in social trading, eToro is an excellent choice. eToro allows you to interact with and even copy the trades of successful traders, offering a unique learning experience. Lastly, if simplicity is what you seek, Plus 500 might be the perfect fit for you. Known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward design, Plus 500 provides a hassle-free trading experience for beginners. To summarize, when choosing a Forex trading platform, consider factors such as ease of use, essential features, educational resources, and regulatory compliance. While the platforms mentioned here are excellent options for beginners, don't forget to conduct thorough research and read reviews to find the one that aligns best with your needs. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has provided valuable insights into choosing the right Forex trading platform for beginners. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Before you go, here are some additional tips. Firstly, read reviews of different Forex trading platforms to gather feedback from other users and make an informed decision. Secondly, take advantage of demo accounts offered by most platforms. It allows you to explore the platform's features and functionalities without risking any real money. Thirdly, consider starting with a small account to limit your potential losses as you gain experience and confidence in your trading abilities. Lastly, educate yourself. Before you start trading, invest time in learning about Forex trading. Utilize online resources, books, and other educational materials to build a strong foundation of knowledge. Remember, success in Forex trading comes with practice, dedication, and continuous learning. I wish you the best of luck on your trading journey. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.